The Infinix S5 is the latest device from the Infinix S series lineup. The Infinix S5 is an upgrade of the Infinix S4, which the main feature of this device are the Infinity 0.6.6-inch display with the 32 megapixel AI camera in there. Hey guys, it's Michael from Medo Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. The Infinix S5 is made of plastic and it's very durable. The Infinix S5 comes in two variants, which are the 4GB 64GB and 6GB 128. The Infinix S5 comes with a quad camera setup at the rear, which are the 16 megapixel main shooter, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a QVGA sensor. At the rear, we have the LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Infinix and S series branding. At the left, we have the card tray, which houses dual 4G nano SIMs and an SD card slot with up to 256GB of storage. To the right, we have the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom, we have the speaker grade, micro USB ports, microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack. This device runs on Android Pie and XOS 5.5. The processing power on this device is a MediaTek Helio P22 12nm chipset with an octa-core 2.0 GHz CPU and the PowerVR GE8320 GPU, which helps in graphics and gaming on a mere side. The Infinix S5 comes with a whopping 4000 mAh battery, which can get you up to 7 hours plus of screen on time on this device. There is still bloatware apps and ads on this device, which I don't really like. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thumbs if you like it, subs if you love it, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.